a freshly stained table, some high quality lighting, and 1 cup of delicious coffee. I think we're ready. It's a beautiful sunny spring day here in Montana. Normally we'd be leading a TESOL school during this time of year, but we're doing something that's a little different for us this year. Over the next few months we're going to be creating a brand new online TESOL course that you can take using your mobile phone or laptop from anywhere in the world. And we're going to be creating it from here, Waya, Montana, where we've been leading and staffing TESOL schools for over 10 years, and where we've been able to meet, get to know many of you. Let's go inside dorm 3 and I'll show you where we're making all this happen. Some of you will recognize this as our old TESOL office, but we actually just converted it to a small but mighty online teaching studio. And we'll be bringing you all kinds of content from this space over the coming weeks. We built a brand new table, we got a professional lighting kit, some new technology to help us teach some of our topics. We always said we'd only do an online course if we could do a high quality online course. We'll also be taking you to some of our favorite parts of Montana and the Pacific Northwest. We'll be checking in with some of our TESOL partners and friends around the world. So we hope you'll join us on this new adventure. We are organizing a few social media spaces where our citizens of hope teacher community can connect, beginning with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So whether you've already taken one of our courses or you'd like to, or if you run an English school and you'd like some of our TESOL trained teachers at your location, then find us and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You can find links in the description to help us all get connected. So stay tuned for more. This is Andy wishing you all out there an awesome week, and I'll see you in the next video.